Okay, so it worked. I did it some apps because it was full storage. Yeah, oh my god.
He could vaporize the entire South Pole
So
for
don't
40
mind that sounds. This is
8
my
billion
my
people point at
senior stuff
hairdryers in Antarctica. It would still take 50,000 years to
and
melt
two
all the
siblings, by
ice.
the
If a
way.
supervolcano erupted right in the
This is
center,
my
the
brother,
continent would turn to water in just
Brother.
a few decades. But if Superman used his heat vision, he could vaporize the entire South Pole for...
It's not coming.
Yeah, well, my wife had to wait. Wow, she even gave me...
It's not coming out
That doesn't compare to a
because it's
No way! Even a marita.
there's some block.
Oh, looks like our wives did the same. That's cheese. I got concha. Oreos? And I even got fabritones. Yeah, well, I have something that I know for sure you don't have. Cherry dogs. Yeah, I got. You have something better.
Because we don't post there of my mother on
Please tell me your wife is seeing now. Wife got me takis. Yeah, well, my wife had to wait. Wow, she even gave me
I want
gazito.
to cut. But I'm gonna
Remember,
go.
Robert? Well, after going viral for being the tallest high school
I'm gonna edit because
his whole life fell
of
apart
course
in 3 ways.
let's
At first, his height fooled everyone because at just 12 years old, he was already taller than most NBA players. But the problem was
Let's
his body
go.
never caught up. Despite being
my egg.
he only weighed 167 pounds, making him too fragile for elite competition. But things got even worse when he transferred to Spire Academy to play alongside LaMelo. Because surrounded by real NBA-level talent, his limitations became impossible to hide. So he decided to quit basketball and become a Minecraft skeleton. Remember Robert? Well, after going viral for being the tallest high school basketball player ever, his whole life. It's our dog.
Now I'm gonna do it scrambled eggs. So I think it will be chop because I don't know how scrambled eggs are made. So I think I'm just gonna chop in a plate.
Imagine our dog tried to fight that mammoth
Nah.
and couldn't survive. And we have no strategy to revive our dog anymore.
Batteries are pretty easy to get, and I've got one.
But the frequently my
It's
eyes
no brainer.
like
Imagine you have a friend who has the new tum 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 sahur.
It's not new, it came back.
Our dog
by the way, my mom's my mom's
and we never
birthday
lost
is
that thing
today.
ever again.
Happy birthday to the next section even though there's no the same. Scrambled eggs, even though still egg.
This artist opened a doodle booth for the first time, and it ended in the cutest way. She drew adorable caricatures of everyone in line and delivered them through a tiny box. But when the last customer turned out to be a handsome young man, she couldn't stop laughing and took extra time to make sure the doodle did him justice. By the end of the day, she had made a lot of people genuinely happy. Artist opened a
So
doodle booth
let's
for the
open
first
the
time.
orange juice
This
because
is not what you think. It's actually a mystery box that keeps track of time. You see, every day of the year, you're supposed to rip one of these slips off, and then as the year goes on, the mystery underneath is slowly revealed. And about halfway through the year, shout out to all of my July babies, we can see a majestic tree of some sort start to take shape. And as we complete the year of 2026, we can see a fully rooted rainbow tree that had waited 365 seconds to find. This is not what you think. It's actually a mystery box that keeps...
What happens to my skin when I equip armor? This is one of the questions I get the most. And to be honest, until some time ago, it used to get completely bugged. But recently I made some changes, and now when I equip armor, it stays perfectly shaped like my skin. However, one thing I still haven't fixed is the elytra. You can see that it ends up being much bigger than my character, and the wings also look very weird. So I decided to fix that. And by looking at other skins for inspiration, I realized that it's possible to make these wings in a completely different way. And I decided to go with a style different from the standard elytra, but not as different as that other skin. And after creating these wings and fixing several bugs, this was the final result. It actually turned out pretty good, but I still found it strange.
forgot when this channel.
AI has made a shift in culture because the other day I was at home watching Scooby-Doo 2, the best movie ever made. However, anytime CGI Scooby would appear on screen, my little cousin would make a comment. No way they used AI in this. AI? This came out in 2004! The poor designer's not being appreciated. Generational gap. AI has made a shift in culture because the other day I was at home watching
So,
Scooby-Doo
like,
2, the best movie ever made. However, anytime CGI...
I'm just gonna use this. Mashed potato. Mashed potato. Mashed potatoes. Even though it's egg. Bakit ka sa Netflix? Bakit ka sa Netflix? Mag-nood ka Stranger Things?
Tin na yung dark talaga. Pero hindi siya yung sisira, ano?
Ito yung the pan. The new pan I just got.
Kaya hindi na mo nagdadala sa mga party ng ano ko. Ano yung pagbigas? Saan ito ba? Sa Vista? Sa Aura? Wow!
I just want to tie my hair.
Yung sa loop, ayaw naman ako ano yun si Amalia. Ayan.
Wait.
Ate, meron kang bago siya, di ba kita bayaran na nag
I was thinking something. I should make, but I don't want to make it. So, the thing is, I want to do. What the frick is? Okay. I want to do seafood, even though I have seafoods, but
Sa pizza ng Shakey's, dapat 3 minutes
Yung
na
pizza
lang.
nila is
so yeah, I'm gonna come back.
Dapat sa bagay. Pipiliin nila talaga yung pagkain nila.
Oo, gusto nila yung mga ano. Ano ba yan? Ba't may naka-video? Nakakainis. Ate, bakit sa